Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is short tricks for square root. We all know the value of time and I believe that discussion should be point to point. So don't waste time, let's start.
So square roots. For square root trick, you should know the square from 1 to 9. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64 and 9 square is 81. Okay, and we can see here the last digits of these squares. I have written in this column. Okay, and how we will use this I will tell you in the trick. Let's take an example. Like we have to find out the square root of 1849. So first we will do pairing like this. Okay. So here will be two digits in the square root. Now we will see the last digit. Last digit is 9. Where last digit is coming, we can see here 9 is coming and here 9 is coming. So when we do the square of 3, we will get 9 and where will last digit, and when we'll do the square of 7, we will get the 9 as a last digit. So in the second place, here could be 3 or 7. Hope it is very clear. Now we will ignore this. 18. Okay, 18 will fall between 16 and 25. Okay, so 4 square and 5 square. In this case we will always take the smallest number, means 4. Okay, so first digit is complete, it is 4. Now moving to the second digit. Second digit would be 3 or 7. How we will decide this? For this we have to compare this number 18 with the product of 4 and the next number. Next number is 5, so 20. So we will compare this. 18 is less than 20. This means 3 would be the digit. So 43 would be the answer. Okay. So let's take another example. Like we can take 2916. Okay. If we have to find out the square root of 2916, what we will do? First we will do pairing. Means two digits are here. Now 6 is the last digit. So we have to check where is the last digit. 6 here and 6 here, means 4 square and 6 square. On 4 and 6 squaring we will get 6. So here could be two options, 4 or 6. Now leaving this, ignore this. 29. Where 29 will fall? 29 will fall between 25 and 36. Means 5 square and 6 square. So we have to choose the smallest number. So we will take 5. So first digit would be 5. Okay. Now we have to choose between 4 and 6. So what we will do? We will compare 29 with the product of 5 and the next number is 6. So 30. Since 29 is less than 30, so we will choose the smallest number. So 54 would be the square root of 2916. Hope it is very clear to all of you. Okay. Let's take another example. Like take 3136. Okay. If we have to find out the square root of 3136, what we will do? First we will pairing. Then there would be two digits in the square root. Now we will see the last digit. Last digit is 6, means here could be 4 or 6. Cos 4 square we will get last digit 6 and 6 square we will get last digit 6. So here could be 4 or 6. Now we will ignore this. Only 31. So where 31 will fall? 31 will fall between 25 and 36. For 5 square and 6 square. So we have to write down the smallest digit. So we will write 5. Now what to do? For 4 and 6, which will be the option? We have to compare this 31 with the product of 5 and the next number 6, which is 30. So since product 31 is greater than 30, so we will take the bigger number. So 56 would be the answer. Hope it is very clear and you will be able to solve in seconds. Within 2 or 3 seconds you will be able to solve this question. Okay, let's take some another example. So let's take another example, like we have 2209. Okay, so what we will do, we will do pairing like this. Now what to do, so here will be two digits. Okay, here, since 9 is the last digit, so when we will do square of 3, then we will get 9, and when we have a square of 7, then we will get 9. So there could be 3 or 7, any one. Okay, now we will ignore this. We have to check this 22. Where 22 will fall? 22 will fall between 16 and 25. Means between 4 square and 5 square. So we will choose smallest number. Means 4. I have told before that we will always choose the smallest number. Next, what to do? For 3 and 7, we have to compare this 22 with the product of 4 and the next digit, which is 5. Okay, this is 20. So since 22 is greater than 20, so we will choose the greater number. So 47 would be the square root of 2209. I hope it is very clear to all of you. And now it is very simple. See? Okay, let's take another example. Let's take 6241. If we have 6241 and we have to find the square root of this, so what we will do? First we will do pairing. So here is 2 digits for square root. Now the last digit is 1. So for 1 square we will get 1, and for 9 square we will get 1. So here could be 1 or 9, any number. Now we will ignore this and we have to look at this 62. Then where 62 will fall? 62 will fall between 49 and 64. So 7 square and 8 square, between 7 square 8 square 62 will fall. So what we have to do? We have to always choose the smallest number. So 7 would be the first digit. Now between 1 and 9, what would be the second digit? We have to compare this 62 with the product of 7 and the next number is 8, which is 56. Okay, so since 62 is greater than 56, so we have to choose the greater number, bigger number. So 79 would be the square root for 6241. Hope it is very clear to all of you. Okay, let's some more examples, like 1444. If we have to find out the square root of this, so what we will do? Similarly, pairing the digits. After that, here would be 2 digits for square root. So last digit is 4. So what we will take? It could be 2 or it could be 8, because for both numbers squaring we will get the last digit 4. So here could be 2 or 8. Okay, now we will ignore this. Only we have to see 14. So where 14 will fall? 14 will fall between 9 and 16. Okay, so we have to choose always the smallest number, so 3. Okay, now what to do? We have to compare this 14 with the product of 3 and next is 4. Next number is 4, which is 12. So since 14 is greater than 12, so what we will do? We will choose the greater number, means 38. 38 would be the square root of 1444. Okay, hope it is very clear to all of you. Okay, let's take another example, like we have 1296. Now what to do? Same, we will pair this. So here will be 2 digits. Now 6 in the last digit. So for 4 square and for 6 square, we have 6 as a last digit. Okay, so here could be 4 or 6. Now we have to ignore this. Compare 12. So where 12 will fall? 12 will fall between 3 square and 4 square, means between 9 and 16. So what we have to do? We have to choose the smallest number always. So here 3. Now what to do? Now we have to compare 12 with the product of 3 and the next number, which is 4. So it is 12. Now listen carefully. Since now 12 is equal to 12, means not less than, not greater than, then what we will do? Then we will always choose the greater number. Okay, in case this digit is greater than the product or equal to product, we will always choose the greater number. So 36 would be the answer. Okay, let's take another example like 2025. Okay, we have to find out the square root. Now we will make pair. Again same process. So 2 digit would be here. Then we will check the last digit. Last digit is 5, and here we can see only on squaring 5 we will get 5 as the last digit. So clearly directly we can write 5. Now we have to ignore this. We have to say 20. 20 where will we fall? It will fall between 4 square and 5 square, and we have to always choose the smallest digit. So 4. So simple 45 would be the square root. Okay, so now I hope it is very clear to all of you. We have done lots of examples for this square root trick. So here are some examples for you. Solve this by using this smart trick and write the answers in the comment box. Till then, bye bye, take care. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.